We do a lot of work with pharmaceutical companies on developing indication-specific outcome measures. So the majority of time in rare disease, the patients are very, very impaired. They're not able to do complex assessments. They're many times not able to do, a digital battery. They're sometimes not even able to do some of the commercially available standardized assessments on the market. So we need to develop outcome measures that are suitable to these patients and are also sensitive enough to detect changes. So to use the example from Rett Syndrome, these patients are incredibly impaired. Again, they're not walking, they're not talking, and they have no functional use of their hands. But the drug was approved because these patients became more engaged. They became more responsive, they were more attentive. It was not in the sense curative by any means, yet this small amount of change, relatively speaking, across the disease was significant, but also very, very meaningful for these families. And we can measure that level of change, that kind of granular level of change that's still very meaningful when we develop these indication-specific outcome measures that are designed with metrics to assess that level of difference.